Hello everybody, myself Dr. Ashok Kumar Biswapur, Associate Professor and Research Guide, Department of Education, Karnataka State Akkamadevi Women's University, Vijayapada. Today we shall discuss about research hypothesis. So what is this meaning of, what is the meaning of hypothesis? What this hypothesis stands for? According to Carter V. Good, a hypothesis is an informed guess or inference with a reasonable chance of being right, formulated and tentatively adopted to explain observed facts or conditions and to guide in further investigation. The scientist's hypothesis parallels the common man's personal opinion or truth. So it is a shrewd guess. According to Whitmeager, the guesses a scientist makes are the hypothesis which either solve the problem or guide him in further investigation. It is a guess of a researcher. Hypothesis has been described as a proposition to be put to test to determine its validity. A tentative suggestion or provisional guess. And next point, a tentative generalization, the validity of which remains to be tested. And fourth point, a statement temporarily. Fifth one, guess as to the probable outcome. Sixth one, a statement whose tenability is to be tested. Now, what are the importance of hypothesis? Number one, help in deciding the direction in which to proceed. Number two, it helps in drawing conclusions. Number three, it prevents blind research. Fourth one, it serves as a guiding light. Fifth one, it focuses research on specific points. Sixth one, it links facts together. Then from which sources we can frame the hypothesis? That's sources of hypothesis. Number one, findings of other studies. That's what review of related literature, what we call. Number two, analogies. Number three, personal experiences. Number four, general culture. For example, happiness depending on income. This is general what we are talking about society. Number five, theoretical models based through the process of logical deduction. And next, coming to the different forms of hypothesis. The declarative form. Number one, the declarative form. It generally states a relationship between the variables that the experimenter expects will emerge. For example, there will be a significant difference in the instructional standards of public schools as compared with the government schools. And second one, null form. A null hypothesis states that no relationship exists between the variables considered. For example, there will be no significant difference in the instructional standards of public schools as compared with governmental schools. Number three, question form. In this form, the statement will be in question form. For example, if there is significant difference in instructional standards of public schools and government schools. Then testing of hypothesis. Any hypothesis remains a guess until it is tested. Testing of a hypothesis is seldom direct and a simple affair. In scientific thinking, testing of hypothesis involves deduction of consequences. Now, conclusion. Hypotheses guide the researcher through the bewildering jungle of facts to see and select only those that are relevant to the problem or difficulty that he proposed to solve. So thank you very much for watching the lesson. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.